Welcome. Day one was a success. We managed to get all the plywood and insulation up inside. As you can see, maybe. There you go, now you can see. All the plywood's been installed. Outlets are ready to be run. A few of these are lights. There's going to be a light. And yeah, these are DC lights, not AC lights. We also took out the leaking fuel tank on this side. And there's the replacement. Nice aluminum with a step, all prepped and ready. Just needs to be thrown in place. So, good first day. Working on the plastic vinyl ceiling pieces now. Should be fun.